Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl amzolinek. In today's video I'm bringing you another cleaning motivational video. So I'm going to show you guys how I clean my ceramic cooker or a glass stove. If you're interested to know how to clean your ceramic cooker, minimizing the scratches and keeping it sparkling clean and shiny, keep on watching guys. So I am going to use only 2 cleaning agents. So first is this ceramic milk. Let me come closer so you can see. I hope this is focusing. This is the ceramic milk that I use for my glass stove. And then I just have my dish soap into this dispenser right here. Alright, so you're also going to need a ceramic sponge. This is specifically made for a ceramic or a glass stove. It has the sponge side and also this textured part of it which you use to scrub off any stubborn dirt or grease that is sitting on the stove. So you just scrub it off and it should come right off. I'm also going to be using 2 microfiber towels. I'm going to be using a wet one and of course a dry one. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the before of the glass stove. I deliberately let it to get dirty for 2 days so that I can demonstrate to you guys that it's possible to clean it off no matter how dirty it might be. So yeah, this is 2 days accumulation, so we're gonna see how this easily comes off. Okay, so first what I usually do is I take my wet cloth and some dish soap. So I'm gonna be smearing this dish soap all over it. This is going to reduce those dirts that can easily come off with just the soap and some water. So some of the oils and the grease are mostly off. So just after wiping off, it already looks much better, but there are still the burns and the stubborn dirt. As you can see, what the cloth did, it was just to remove excesses, but the hard work is yet to be done. So let's move on to the second stage. Just gonna apply some of the milk. Use the textured side of it to smear the milk all over the affected areas. I start off with the less messy one, which was this one. So I just go ahead and start scrubbing. Just scrub and it should come off almost immediately. Entire perimeter of the glass all around. Next, I'm going to use the dry microfiber towel and wipe off all that stuff. So I don't use water or anything, just wipe it off. You don't need any water because this is going to polish your glass cooker and leave it looking nice and shiny. Okay, so I've almost got everything off. Next, I'm going to flip the towel over and use the other part, the other side. And at this point, you can just check to see whether there are any patches that were left behind. Here is not completely clean, just gonna use my sponge again and scrub that area. Now wipe off and I will flip the towel again to a clean up side and just polish. Just polish, and then it's going to leave it really glance, shiny, sparkling, clean looking. Polish, polish, polish until it shines, until you can see yourself through like a mirror. I like to go around with a kitchen paper, just around, because sometimes there are food residues and stuff like that really gross underneath the glass. So I just fold it into halves like that, and I stick the side right underneath and just go all around, and if there is any dirty or residues, it's going to bring that off right away. So yeah, just go. See that? Gross. So after going through all the 4 corners, I go in again with the microfiber towel all around, like so. And it's done. Alright guys, so this is how my glass stove or ceramic cooker is looking, sparkling clean, like you can literally see everything through there like a mirror. Let me just switch off the light up there so you can have a clear glance of it. Okay. So this is how I clean my ceramic or glass stove. I hope this was helpful to you. If that's the case, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't already for more motivational and cleaning videos like this one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.